Hey, Lane here. In this video, I want to talk about Kajabi and how you can use Kajabi to generate $2,000 a month in perpetuity, which means forever, as a starting point. If you're new to my channel, I love to help aspiring self-publishing authors and online entrepreneurs to get their message out and make a great income doing it. So if you like that kind of thing, which who doesn't, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. I'm talking about Kajabi today, which is my favorite online business platform. It has saved me tons of time, tons of money, and a lot of headaches of the way I used to do business, which was when I would take all these different pieces and try to put them together. Kajabi eliminated all that frustration and simplified the process for me, put everything under one roof, and my business runs so much more smoothly. So if you're an entrepreneur, if you do online courses, membership sites, any kind of thing where you're trying to make money online, I highly recommend that you check out Kajabi. You can use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. That is an affiliate link, which means if you use it, I get a small commission. So if you like what I'm doing here, if you support this channel and you're gonna try out Kajabi anyway, use my link. And I'm gonna give you something if you do. Just as a way to say thank you, because I appreciate it so much. If you use my link, I'm gonna give you my $25,000 course launch email template, which is the exact emails that I used and the strategy behind the emails that I used and the launch that I did to launch my first course, where I made $25,000 over 3 courses within the first few months of having Kajabi. So that's gonna be really helpful for you, especially as you're getting started on Kajabi, and it's a perfect complement to what we're talking about in today's video. So go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi, get started. You get the free trial, you can try out Kajabi, and then if you sign up, then I'll give you the course launch email template. So let's talk about how you can generate $2,000 a month using Kajabi. The thing that's important to consider here is that it's basically a math problem. If you think about it, what we're looking at is we want to generate $2,000 a month consistently, and there's several different ways to get there. But I want to show you one way that I think is pretty proven that you can do using Kajabi by having 3 different main products. So what I want to do is I want to tell you what those products are, when you build them, in what order, and then I'm going to show you some other videos that I have here on YouTube that will actually show you how to do it within Kajabi. So the first thing you want to build is a mini course. And a mini course is really just a straightforward course that teaches your students how to do one thing, it solves one problem, and it delivers a very quick win and a very clear promise. Typically, a mini course is gonna be like 5 to 7 lessons, 5 to 7 video lessons, some downloadable PDFs, and you send them on their way. It's very focused and it's highly, highly applicable to one problem that you're trying to help that person solve, or one skill that you're trying to help them establish and get for themselves. So I would price your mini course at $100. Why $100? One of the best online business marketers and business gurus that there is, Tim Ferriss, points out that if you want people to view your product as being worthwhile and yet not have the price so high that they need to spend all this time justifying the decision, then you want a price between $50 and $200. Somewhere between $50 as a minimum and $200 as a maximum is that sweet spot for people to say, okay, it's more than $50, so it must be really good. And then it's less than $200, so I don't really need to think about this. That's why I say for a mini course, that $100 is a sweet spot, because it communicates that it's valuable, and you need to make sure that you put the value in. It's worth every bit of $100. It needs to be worth more than that, and you price it at $100, right? So that's what you want to do. But if you go $27 or $19 or $7, then it's going to be more difficult to communicate that it's valuable. If you go much more than $200, it's going to take a little bit more sophisticated selling. So your mini course, you want to sell the heck out of it. So price it around $100, and then go ahead and get it up on your Kajabi site. If you need help getting your mini course up, you can check out this video where I talk all about how to launch a mini course on Kajabi, how to build it, and how to put it on there and set everything up. That's the mini course. That's the first thing you're gonna do. And what our goal is to get that mini course selling 5 a month. So once you launch it using my $25,000 course launch email template, which you're going to get because you did a free trial of Kajabi using my link, okay? But once you launch it, what you want is for that thing to be a perennial seller, okay? If you think about flowers, you have annual and you have perennial. Annual, you put them out and they die, right? You put them out, they're there for however many months during that season. The next year, they are not there. Perennials may go dormant, but they're always going to come back. They're always going to grow. So what you want is perennial courses, not annual. So what is a perennial course? A perennial with your mini course is something that you're going to launch. You're going to launch it big. You're going to use my template, and you're going to make a lot of money during your launch. And then you're going to put it into your evergreen funnel. So anytime somebody is watching your YouTube videos or listening to your podcast, you're going to invite them to download your lead magnet, which if you want to know all about lead magnets, I have a video right here. You're going to invite them to download your lead magnet, and then that's going to put them in your funnel, which is all set up within Kajabi. And your funnel is going to offer them your courses one at a time. You're going to offer them this course, and then you're going to offer them another course. And so your mini course is going to be an evergreen product that always sits in your funnel and is always presented to the people who opt in to your list. So what our goal is over time, this first 3, 6, 9 months, we want that thing to be selling about 5 copies a month. That's going to make you $500 a month. So our goal is 2,000 and we've gotten to 500. There's 1,500 left. The next thing you're going to do is make a flagship course. So if a mini course is a short version, 5, 7 lessons, then a flagship course is about 3 or 4 or 5 times that, because you're not just solving one problem, you are really kind of tackling an entire system. You're building an entire end-to-end complete system to help your customers, your students, solve the problem, right? Whatever you're helping them do, you're going start to finish on this. So instead of having 5 to 7 lessons, you might have 5 to 7 modules, and within each one of those modules, you have several lessons. I have a video right here about making courses, so if you want to check that out, that might be really helpful to get an idea of what your flagship course could be. Your flagship course is going to be priced around $250. Now you might be saying, wait a second, you just said the price between $50 and $200, why are you saying $250? Well, you price between $50 and $200 to make a quick, easy decision. But there are some courses, like your flagship course, that are going to need to be more than $200 because they're more valuable than that. You've packed everything into it. So somewhere between $250 and $300 is a really great place to be. $247 or $297. And then you want a really good sales page. So check out this video right here on sales pages that I did using Kajabi. But a really good sales page and a really good sales system, and you can sell your flagship course. So again, you're going to launch it, and then it's going to go into your evergreen funnel. And your flagship course, we want to sell 2 of those a month. So we're selling 5 of your mini courses, and we're selling 2 of your flagship courses. So at this point, $500 from each, right? So 5 $100 courses is $500, and 2 $250 flagship courses is $500. So now we're at $1,000. What do we do now? Well, you're 3, 6, 7 months in at this point. You've got $1,000 a month coming in consistently through your evergreen online sales that are happening between the mini course and the flagship course. You're feeling pretty good right now because at this point you're printing money out of thin air. I mean, you're selling digital products. You don't have to have any inventory. You've already made these, and now they're selling because you continue to show up, you continue to make content, you continue to get leads, and these people go through your pipeline, go through your funnel, all through Kajabi, and you are now making $1,000 a month. Congratulations. Now, let's say that you want to double that. You want to get to 2,000. Now, there's a couple ways to do this. One is to just get more leads and get more sales. And obviously that's the goal always, is to get more leads, more eyeballs, because you want that $1,000 a month to go to 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, whatever. Another approach would be to make one more product. And this is going to be my suggestion to you, to give you a full suite of products within Kajabi. And what I want you to do here is make a membership site. So you take the content that you made in your flagship course and you develop it into an ongoing set of training, because here's what's going to happen. People are going to join your flagship course, and your mini course. They're gonna get tons of value out of it. And then they're gonna say, we want more. We want more about this. We want more from you. Can you go deeper on this topic? I have more questions about this. And that is going to give you material for your membership site. So a membership site within Kajabi, and I'm actually building a membership site currently, and I'll have a video all about the whole project that I'm doing, and I'll show you how it all lays out in Kajabi. But a membership site is really just, it's like an online course, but people pay per month instead of a one-time payment. So if you get a member into your membership site, they're going to be paying you every single month to stay in your site until they decide to leave. And so what you want to do is, for this membership site, price it at $25 and aim to get 40 people in there as soon as you can. So if you have a list, an email list of 500 or 1,000 or 2,000, then go after your list, make the value really, really high for the membership site, and try to get 40 people. If you have 40 people in your membership site, each paying $25, that's another $1,000 a month. So now between the mini course, the flagship course, and the membership site, we're at $2,000, and it's only taken us 6 to 9 months, or maybe at this point, a year to get all of this in. That may sound like a lot of time. It may sound like not much time depending on how many times you've done this, but you get faster as you go along. My first course took me forever to build. My second course, not as long, and now my membership site's not taking that long at all. So you do get more efficient and quicker with this as you go along. But the cool thing about this is, let's say that you're in Kajabi, you've got your mini course, you've got your flagship course, you've got your membership site. Now what you can do is go back to your content and just drill down on your free content, on your podcast, on your YouTube channel, on your blog, however you engage with new helpful content with your audience. You can double down on that, knowing that you have a system, a back end that's catching those people and offering them your full suite of products one at a time. And then if you want to get really fancy, you can do upsells. I have a video right here on one-click upsells, which you can watch. Within Kajabi, you can show them your mini course, and if they buy that, you can offer them your flagship course, maybe at a discount. And then maybe you can offer them your membership site at a discount as well. And so you can turn one lead into a customer that has bought all of your products and is in your membership site. So these kind of things are really cool, and that $2,000 a month figure is really an estimate. Obviously, I can't guarantee those kind of results. You may have way more, you may have a little less, but the thing is, it's just a number to kind of aim for. And just think, if 6 months from now, you're making $1,000 a month from 2 courses, and then 6 months from that, you're making $2,000 a month from your membership site and the other courses, or maybe you're making $3,000 or $4,000. That's really, really exciting stuff. And that's the kind of thing that's possible on Kajabi because they make it so easy. So I want you to try out Kajabi so that you can get in there, see for yourself, and I want you to be wildly successful. So again, I want to give you my $25,000 course launch email template, my gift to you for getting into Kajabi using my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. And then you may be asking more questions about Kajabi, what you can do, and I'm going to tell you all about it in this video right here. So click on that video, and I'm going to show you the 5 reasons why I switched to Kajabi from the other things that I was using and how it's changed everything for me. So click on that video, and I'll see you right in there.